whiz, Batman. Gee whiz, Batman. Name's Robin. Hi guys, so today I am showing you guys my Robin cosplay slash costume. Now the reason why I say costume is I did buy this from a costume company. Now the company is called Ruby's, and if you guys don't know, Ruby's manufactures a lot of like the fake blood and stuff you find at Spirit Halloween. But there is something special about this costume. For one, it comes with all the pieces shown on the photo. Really good material because it is what I was looking for in this costume. Now I chose the TV show Robin from the live action TV show Robin because I loved how goofy he was, and it's like, geez, Batman, we gotta catch those bad guys. So I thought it would be like, if I'm gonna do Robin and everyone makes a joke of Robin, I'm gonna go full on out with the joke Robin. And he's very lovable. This Robin's very lovable. So the costume does include the shirt, gloves, a cape, the shoes, the mask, and the belt. So everything's included. Now, two things. First, the gloves did not fit me because I have tiny hands and this was made for a male. So I don't have any gloves, and I tried looking for some, but I can't find the right ones to match the shade of green. And another thing is the mask. I did not like how the mask looked. I tried different variations of a mask I wanted. I finally settled on this. Now these are glasses, clear glasses, and they're from a company called Sunstashes. Now I love Sunstashes because they make the most craziest and cool sunglasses there are out there. So these are just a mask, but they're glasses, and I like it because I don't have to paint my face, and with this cosplay it's just something I could just throw on. So it's very simple. So it's just glasses, and then on the side you have the Robin logo, and yeah, so those are the glasses I use for my mask. To the costume itself, first I want to point out, this is my favorite part of the whole costume, the belt. This belt is so detailed. This is actually made out of metal, and it is just amazing how much detail is in the belt. I'm in love with the belt. Also, these are to put over your shoes. Now, I know what you're thinking, like costume status, but that was kind of the look I was going for because the show itself was made on a low budget. This Robin was on, and I wanted it to have the same kind of feeling that it was made during that era. So that is why I got these, the little booties to cover. The next thing is the actual pieces, which I'm going to open up. I love that this costume came in this because, like, it cost me 80 bucks. I'm not gonna lie. This whole costume costed 80 bucks, and I know, like, that's normal for people nowadays, but for cosplayers, that's normal too, but just that this costed so much, and the material is actually good, I'm just amazed with this. So I am just going to open this up so you can see the picture better that goes with this costume. And so we have parts. It also came with pantyhose, but I'm not a pantyhose person. I'm just gonna let my skin shine. We have a cape, which I will say the cape is really long. Well, for me it's long. It touches the ground because I am a short little cosplayer. I have the basically like the boxers thing. Like, it's a very breathable material though. Like, it's really good. Probably longer because if someone has junk, but I don't have any junk. So next is the actual shirt. I like it. It has the Robin logo, and it has these little, I think they're called ribbits, the circles, and with the string type. And it's hard with this cut because it's like my armpits are all the way up here, but it wants to go lower like a man build. Now I'm gonna put the belt on. Da da da. From their tower they can't see it all. Teen Titans. When the bad guys on the run. That is the costume. And like I said, it reaches all the way to the ground. But what can you do sometimes? Final touches are the wig and the glasses. Now, I got this geeky kind of like hair because I did want to look like a boy because, you know, Bruce Wayne is a responsible man letting kids run the streets and being Robin, you know. Actually, my wig looks pretty good today. Final moment. You guys do not. I'm Robin. I can't see, but wig hair's in my eye. Wig hair's in my eye. Can't get my whole self in the frame. I'm going to break a hip, I think. And I am Boy Wonder. No way, Batman! I look like a total geek, I feel like. I don't know, what do you guys think of my Robin? There's my little mocha latte sleeping in the background. That's how late we're filming. Without the cape and just with my belt and stuff, I feel like Jason Todd. Yeah, that is my whole Robin costume, and this has been in my closet for like 2 years because I put it on and I just didn't like how it looked. But I'm like, might as well, you know, make a video about it, post some pictures, and not just let it rot away. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me transforming myself into Robin from either, if you want to say it's from Teen Titans or whatever. There's different variations of Robin. But the one I really like the best is Dick Grayson. Who's your favorite Robin? Tell me in the comments below. And I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching. And I will see you when crime hits the city. This is the cheesiest cosplay I ever done, but I love it.